Hey guys, have you ever tried Vietnamese coffee? It's really strong and tasty. Today I'm going to show you how to make Vietnamese coffee. So here is in the filter. And I add in about 4 full teaspoons of coffee. In Vietnam, we use mainly Robusta, while the rest of the world they use more Arabica. So Robusta, the taste is bitter and stronger. And actually, the Robusta is much cheaper than Arabica. And I add in some hot water and leave it for 2 minutes. And do the same with the other filter, because today I'm going to make one coffee with sugar and one coffee with condensed milk. Again, 4 teaspoons of coffee. Yeah, remember when you put in the middle cup, you have to press down it and put a little bit of water. Press down again. And when we drink coffee, we also after we finish the coffee, we drink some tea too. It depends on our favorite. We will go with hot tea or iced tea. So today I'm using the oolong teas. So it adds about 10 to 15 tea leaf into the teapot. And the tip to make the tea, you get just a little bit of water and you pour it out. So this one could clean the leaf of the tea. And also have the tea flavor go to the hot water easier later. Yeah, the second time I put the hot water again. Yeah, and after 2 minutes, now we put the coffee filter into the glasses. Yeah, and as in the hot water. You put the hot water about 2/3 of the coffee filter and cover by the cup to keep it warm and keep the aroma. Yeah, the coffee drop down. And it depends on the coffee, but you see it takes about 3 minutes to 5 minutes for all the coffee, the water went through. Yeah, and our coffee culture, and the second one is in coffee shop. And you see people they sit outside, like sit outside at the terrace. Yeah, it's in French influence. Yeah, now it's ready, and you take the cup out, you check if they still have water. And we remember put the filter on the cup. Otherwise, they have some coffee they drip down, and it dirty your table. So I add in 1 teaspoon of sugar.
Yeah, and then I add in some ice. Yeah, because in Saigon it's always hot, so we prefer coffee with ice.
Yeah, I do the similar with the other glass, but this glass I add in the condensed milk. Depend on how sweet you want. You add as much or less condensed milk, and condensed milk is kind of really sweet. because it's like 60% of sugar.
Yeah, essence.
Yeah, I add some ice.
Amazing.